Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome to Unboxmas. Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxmas. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Red, here again with another video. Today is Monday. Happy Monday. Today's what, like 13th, I think, the 13th or the 12th. No, it's the 13th. It's the 13th. So happy Monday. Welcome. If you are new here, this is Unboxmas. What's Unboxmas? It's vlogmas with a box. It's vlogging my unboxings of things that I'm getting delivered or have had delivered in the last couple of days, weeks, hours, whatever. And that's what we're sharing here today. So if you like unboxings, you picked a great time to come and visit the channel. So settle in. You can hit the subscribe button, the like button, whatever, you know, but you know, settle in and enjoy. And if you're returning, hello darlings, welcome back for another one. Thank you so much for making time out of your busy holiday schedules to come and spend time with me. So we're here today, and if the title is not telling enough, the title of the video, this is another Fendi unboxing. This is something that I bought blind. I saw it online, absolutely loved it, and was like, yes, I need it. So if it's not a success, we will see it firsthand, because this is like unboxing for real, first impression and everything. So we're just gonna go for it. So it's in here. We're back to the brown box. Hashtag brown box life. We are back with our brown boxes now. We've been a bit consistent with the brown boxes, so I'm happy about that. But here we go. We're gonna give it a go. So it's taped up. Have not seen this. Did not peek. Didn't do anything. So we're just gonna go right in. So it is now cut open. We're gonna go right into it. Ooh. So I did not. So this is for. Okay, let me I should preface this by saying this is from Nordstrom Rack, so it is not from Fendi. So manage expectations about what's inside, because I just took a peek in there and it's not gift wrapped, it's not anything. And for you lot that don't know what Nordstrom Rack is, it's like the off-price version of Nordstrom. So you get some like really great designer bits there for sometimes a good price, sometimes not. It depends on what item it is. But yeah, so they did not gift wrap anything. There's no stuffing. There's not even a receipt. We got a brown box. That's all we got with that one. I mean, there's literally not even a billing receipt. Like if you wanted to return it, like the return receipt, nothing. So this is it. So when I do the thumbnail, I will have to get a bit creative, because this will be my thumbnail. Yeah, they didn't try. So but that's how it is sometimes, I guess. You know, when we're paying, you know, a lot of money for things, you're also paying for the entire experience, and part of that experience would be the wrapping of it, how it's presented and all that. That's part of the experience. That's why so many YouTubers get upset when they get boxes and so on from, like, you know, Chanel or Louis Vuitton or what have you, and the boxes are not together, or the way it's shipped or whatever is not together, because it's like part of what you're paying for is that whole presentation. So when you're getting like a discounted rate of something, you get it in a, you know, and saran in some cling wrap. They put a little cling wrap on it. All right, so it was wrapped up. Here we go. At least we got the Fendi case, so that's good. So Fendi case, I guess by now you lot can tell what it is, because it's very telling. Oh, this is nice though. Okay, so inside the case, oh wow. All right, inside says Fendi. Probably can't see it. Yeah, maybe that. And then these are what I got. Probably don't know if you can see it. Oh, it's so nice. So I needed a pair of brown sunnies that were like a goldish kind of brown, not chocolatey brown, because the chocolatey brown ones, I have a pair of chocolatey brown keys, and they literally just blend into my face when I'm taking like pictures, or if I'm out, you know, what have you. They're nice, but they're not just not hitting the way I needed them to. So I needed a pair of sunnies that really kind of popped a little bit, and I wanted the ones with the FF. So I was gonna get the aviators like this, but they sold out before I could get them. They were having a bit of like a sale, so these were marked down. I don't know how much. All right, so here it says, yeah, this is probably about what it cost. So it says original price was $365, sale price $119.97, so $119.97 is the price. I think that's about what it was. So it's about maybe like a 50% markdown, and they had the aviators, but they sold out before I could get them in cart and buy them, so I ended up getting these. But I really wanted a pair of sunnies that were more brown tone, but also like had a little bit of a goldish hint to it, and it had to pop. Like it's got to be saying something. Auntie Ren be like, going to say something. Like you can't just like sometimes believe it or not, I'm an introverted extrovert, so like I don't mind being by myself or what have you, but and I don't need to be in a crowd or what have you, but when I am out, I'm out, you know. when I am out, I'm out, but but it's okay. Like I can stay home, like I don't have to go out, I can stay home. But when I'm out, it's like a whole thing. So I don't like to be quiet when I'm out. So this is like, you know, right up my alley, because I'm not trying to be subtle. Like there's nothing subtle about me when I go out. So all right, I'm gonna try these on. Probably gonna get makeup all over the tabs, but let's give it a go. Let's see, don't pick up my wig. All right, let's see, what are we working with here? You know I got to give you the whole reveal, right? Should we do a slow-mo? Should we come up with the slow-mo? You know, we have to be very extra. We're very extra here. Wait, okay. Come up with the slow-mo. Okay, ready? I crack me up. How do they look? I can't see it in the viewfinder. Oh, they're cute. Okay. I thought they were going to be bigger. I like a bigger sunglass. I should go check them, but in the mirror I'm only looking at them in like the viewfinder. But they look all right. They look good. What do you think? Do they look good? Are you getting the reflectiveness? Are they reflecting off of the lights? Are you getting the reflection happening? Now I have to go see them. I haven't seen them. I can't see them from here. All right, hold on, I gotta go see them. They're cute. I like them. I thought they were going to be bigger. I'm trying to get the measurements when you're online buying sunnies to measurements that you like, or like I guess the width of the sunnies that you like is not that easy, because every brand, how they do it is different. So I would have liked it to be a bit just like more oversized, but I love the FF reflection. Love that. Love that they're a bit like transparent, so you can still see like your eye makeup. So this is like, yeah, I like that, because sometimes you put some effort into the eye makeup, you want folks to see that, you know what I mean? So so I like that. It's a little bit on the cheek situation, so it's doing a little bit of a mush, but I like them. They're definitely giving me the brown gold tones that I wanted, so the color is spot on. I just wish they were a tad bigger. I love this little detail here, so I don't know if you lot can see that. I'll see if I can get close-ups if it's necessary. Sometimes it's not necessary. Sometimes the camera picks it up just fine when I'm filming this way, and I don't have to do it. But if I feel like there's some details that I want you to see, then I'll come in, you know, and I'll do a little bit of a close-up. But it's, you know, got the the Fendi logo here with the stone detail. They're all right. They're super cute. I like them. All right, they're okay. They're okay. They're not like, they're just a little smaller than I thought. I wanted a little bit more poof, you know. And these are not giving me poof. They're giving me poof. They're a quiet poof, and I need a big poof. But they're not bad. They're not bad at all. They're really cute, and for the price, I mean, originally $365 to get it for $119, like, You know, I mean, you can't really knock that. And I never got a chance to try these on in store. So, you know, you get what you get. But I like them. I think they're a flex. What do you think? Comment down below. Let me know if you think they're a flex or if I should return them. But I think I'm going to keep them. I have like a lot of sunnies, but I don't have any Fendi sunnies. My lashes are catching on the lens. I don't have any Fendi sunnies, so this will be my first pair of Fendi sunnies. And with all of the Fendi bits that I have been accumulating lately, I've got shawls, I've got pants, I've got the headbands, I've got, you know, some other things, whatever. So it's like, it's good to like be able to like interchange them and mix them and complement the pieces that we have. It's like building out that Fendi wardrobe. So I felt like this was a piece that I needed in my collection. But sound off down below. Let me know what you think. Is it a flex? Or should we send it back? I do. I like them. I had to sit down with it. I think they're really cute. I like them a lot, but I still want to know what you guys think, so make sure you comment down below. But I think this is it for us today. Switching it up, we got to give you a little something different, you know, some handbags, some scarves, some accessories, you know, we gotta mix it up. So that's it for us today. Happy Monday, nieces, nephews, fellow aunties. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know every time we are dropping videos. We are doing this every day until the 25th. So, you know, in case you were wondering, we'll be back tomorrow. I almost dropped them on the floor. I'm a mess today. It's Monday. Listen, Mondays, you know, it takes a minute to get it together. We're recovering from the weekend. So Mondays are a little bit of a struggle, but you know, we're here, we're doing it, and we'll be back tomorrow to do it again. Talk to you a lot soon. Hope you have a great day wherever you are. Bye.